In today's video, I'll show you how to change cursor size on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, what you have to do is just click on Start, then from here find Settings or just search for it, then just open up Settings. You can maximize this, and from here what you have to do is just go to Bluetooth and Devices. Then from here just go to the mouse option and expand this section. And from here you need to scroll down and go to Related Settings. And under Related Settings, you'll find an option called Mouse Pointer and Touch. It also includes the pointer size and color, so just go inside this. Now, as you can see under Mouse Pointer, I have got options to change the mouse pointer color as well as the size. As you can see, you can just click on it and drag it to change the mouse pointer size to whatever you like. So just drag it to all the way to the right to change it to a larger icon size, or drag it to the left all the way to set it small. Whichever mouse size you prefer, just change it and it will be set to that. And that's basically it. And that is how to change cursor size on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.